Okay, this is a follow-up review for the Nanuk 935. And I've been using this as my carry-on luggage without the foam insert, and I really, really like it. This has a week's worth of clothing, 10 days if you really push it. I've got 7 shirts, 7 pairs of socks, 7 pairs of underwear. I've got basketball shorts, swim trunks, two cargo shorts, 2 blue jeans, and 1 pair of cargo pants. And we're gonna get all of that to fit in this. And the problem with the Nanuk using it like this is you lose some extra space for the protection. But if you pack smart, I like to use packing cubes and then do a little bit of compression on the top. I'll kind of show you. But you do lose some of that extra space on the sides. We went over that on the first initial thoughts, but you can still fit a week's worth of clothing. I like to put my shirts, normally I packing cube them in my normal luggage. With this one where I've got my soft top, I like to use this. I'll put my toiletries, my vitamins, my medicine up in here. You can put your tablet back there if you want extra protection on that. Usually that's in my carry-on bag, my backpack. But we've got, it's gonna take a little bit of force because we're really jam-packing this to its fullest. But it's a tough case. Bam. 7 shirts, 7 days of underwear, socks, basketball shorts, cargo pants, blue jeans. We've got it all, and it fits in our carry-on luggage.